So let us discuss about the highway planning and development. So for construction of any highways, proper planning should be needed. Okay, without planning, the development work cannot be completed. So there are different issues which are very much important for highway planning stages. So first one is highway planning and development issues, functional and structural design of highways, construction, maintenance and management of highways. So this highway development plan has been categorized into three ways. First one is you need to plan. So planning means you need to consider some future period of time up to which whatever facilities you are going to provide, the facilities can be in working conditions. Okay, so basically for highway planning and development, some master plan is there. So generally it is 25 years plan. So whenever some facilities need to be constructed, in that case you need to consider about the future development and future area expansions. Okay, so next one is functional and structural design. So first you have designed that these are the development issues. After that you need to find out the different structural design parameters. So for these reasons you have to collect different topographical data, different traffic characteristic data, etc., to finalize your design parameters. Now after that you have to construct the road with suitable materials, and as well as you need to plan for the maintenance and management of the highways. Okay, so next is factor determining highway planning and development issues. So first one is financing highways. So financing structure and sources of finance are the primary role of government. Since the investment is huge, the government, with a view to encourage the private participation in these development projects, offered various business models like boot, bolt and bond. So basically these are: boots means build, own, operated, transfer; bolt means build, own, lease and transfer; and bot means build, operate and transfer. So boot means suppose some construction company will build one infrastructures and they will operate the road, and they will collect some money from the users of the road. So after a certain period they will transfer this total project to the government. Okay, next one is bolt. Here bolt means build, own, lease and transfer. So here what happens, government will build some infrastructures and their maintenance and management will be handed over to any corporate sector for a particular period of time. So within that particular period of time, that corporate sector will manage all these things regarding that infrastructure, and after some time or after some predefined time, that organization will again handed over the total project to the government. Then bot means build, operate and transfer. So in that case what will happen, suppose some existing private properties is there, so government will lease this that property for the use of the public. Okay, so next one is access management of the highways. So access management is a set of techniques. So basically this technique decide how a vehicle movement can be controlled in the highways. Okay, so the benefits of access management include improved movement of traffic, reduced crashes, fewer vehicle conflicts and minimize interference to the traffic flow. So like signaling system in the highways. Okay, so these are the access management, or some underpasses, overpasses, these are some access management. Then environmental impact assessment of the highway development. So this is also very much important. So basically whenever you are constructing some highways, in that case that land requirement is huge, and on that road different vehicle will also move. So these vehicles will emit some gases, okay, which is detrimental, or which are detrimental to the environment. So for these reasons, that environmental impact assessment of the highways are also necessary. Okay, Then highway safety. Now design standards are essential for highway safety. The variables considered including functional classification, that is traffic volume, that is the number of vehicles which is crossing a particular section in a road, traffic mix, that is the mixture of different kind of vehicles, terrain, that is whether it is a mountainous region, whether it is a hilly region, or whether it is a plain region, and roadside environment and character of the travel. Okay. Then road traffic noise. Road traffic noise considered as one of the greatest public annoyances and is often generated by unstable traffic. So basically whenever the traffic is unstable, there is unnecessary mixes, there is some hindrance to the movement of the traffic. In that case only road traffic noises will occur. Now, the traffic noise prediction models are commonly designed to assist in the conception of new roads.